Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Tor Browser on Kali Linux 2024.4. Tor Browser won't come as pre-installed application in Kali Linux. So first verify Tor. See, you don't have Tor Browser, okay? So install it, open any browser, go to Tor project.org. This is the official website for the Tor. See here, we have the download Tor Browser or download Tor Browser. Both are set. Click on either of them. Now, download for Linux. See, download started and its size is 116 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Open terminal. Then cd downloads ls. See here, we have the Tor Browser zip file. We have to untar this file, tar-xvf, then tar-, then give the tab to autofill this zip file name. Hit enter. See, extraction is completed. ls. See here, we have the Tor Browser folder. Go to that. cd Tor Browser ls. See here we have this start Tor Browser.desktop. So start the Tor Browser by giving ./start, give the tab to autofill and hit enter. Wait a moment, it is going to launch. See, we got the Tor Browser. So select this always connect automatically and click on connect. See, successfully opened Tor Browser, and the default search engine for the Tor Browser is DuckDuckGo. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to install Tor Browser on Kali Linux 2024.4, but the process is same on all Kali Linux versions. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.